Launched in 1765, HMS Victory is best known as the flagship of Vice Admiral Horatio Nelson. It was the ship on which he died in 1805, just moments after being told he'd won the legendary Battle of Trafalgar. Now housed at Portsmouth Historic Dockyard, she remains one of the most famous and oldest commissioned warships in the world. But as you can see, the HMS Victory is looking very different right now. And the reason this illustrious ship is covered in scaffolding is because for the first time in well over a century, her masts are being removed as part of a huge conservation effort. A team of around 100 staff and specialists are working on the restoration, which is expected to continue until 2033 as part of a £42 million project. Andrew Baines is the project director. Why is it that this level of renovation is happening?
Victory's made of wood. We've got rainwater pouring into the ship, and that's proving a threat to the really important bits of Victory that survived, those bits that Nelson would have known. So we have to act now.
Give us some idea of the scale of this job.
It's pretty big, so we've been going 5 years, and this is a major milestone for us as we roll from the centre section of the ship out towards the ends, and that means the masts have got to come out now. At the moment, we're taking the foremast out, the mizzen mast, this one here behind us, and the bowsprit. That's the one that pokes out the front. You need a crane that's capable of lifting 750 tons. So we've got to lift them out, set them down on the dockside, and from there, we're going to have to strip them back to bare metal, and then we fully survey them.
This phase of the project began earlier in the week with the removal of the foremast, and with that, the team made an exciting discovery.
This is where the base of the foremast sat, and as it was lifted clear, it revealed to us 6 coins, we think dating probably to 1894.
Oh, good Lord.
I think we've got a farthing, a halfpenny, and a penny coin twice over. And this is a thousands of years old tradition that when a mast is stepped in a ship, a coin was put under the mast step to bring good luck. And if the ship went to the bottom with you in it, you then had the charge for the ferryman to take you to the next life.
For lead rigger Stuart Sheldon, the biggest test of this restoration is the engineering. This is the extraordinary marriage between the past and the present, but with cutting-edge technology.
Yeah, we've got 3D laser scans using modern technology to make sure that we're confident that the structure of the mast can take the lift.
How much time have you spent with your heart really in your mouth on this project?
When we're waiting for the mast to actually separate from the ship, because we're gradually taking the weight up on the crane by very small increments, so waiting from where it pops apart is a real special moment.
As evening approaches, the restoration team are busy preparing to remove the final 2 masts, the mizzen mast and the bowsprit. So despite the gargantuan nature of these cranes, you can imagine what a delicate operation this is. By 9 p.m, the mizzen mast was safely out, but the bowsprit took a further 9 hours overnight to remove, as its angled position made it far more difficult for the team to balance.
We learnt loads of lessons from the foremast that we did earlier in the week. That moment when the heel separates from the plate, the mast hangs perfectly down, and then that final moment as it just clears the ship, massive sense of relief.
The intention is that the restoration will preserve the ship for generations to come.